Hundreds prep. Let's put all that work together, challenging the ribs and pelvis for stability. Let's bring the right leg to tabletop, then the left, and really wrap those inner thighs together. Inhale, float those fingers right by the ears, reach a little longer. Exhale, press those palms down, lift the head, neck, and shoulders, reach. Inhale, right back down. Exhale, give some dynamic, press down. Inhale, reach back. Keep that breath moving. Exhale to press and lift the head, neck, and shoulders. Inhale, reach even higher as you release back down. Exhale to press. Inhale to lengthen. Are you squeezing your inner thighs together? Are you maintaining that little gap in your low back? Exhale, press down, gaze toward that navel. Again, watch that shirt flatten down. Inhale, really extend through the arms. So imagine that you have slinkies attached to the palms of your hands and the mat right by your hips. As you inhale, you're going to stretch those slinkies long. As you exhale, really press them back down. Again, inhale, reach, lift higher, reach up to the sky. Exhale, press. Inhale, reach. And exhale, release the arms by the sides. Take one leg down, then the other, and relax.